Hi everyone! Today we will be going over how to create a quiz in Tusk. Now while Tusk isn't as secure as ExamSoft as an assessment tool, the quiz feature is pretty simple and it's pretty easy to use. First we'll want to log into Tusk and get to our dashboard. Once here, we're going to go up to the top here and click Manage Content. This will bring us to a list of all of your courses, so go ahead and scroll through and find the one that you'd like to add your quiz to. Once inside the course page, you're going to go over here to the left and click on Quizzes. This will bring you to a list of all of the quizzes that have already been created in your course. To create a new one, click New Quiz. This will take us to our basic settings page where we'll want to title our quiz. And we'll want to decide if it's a self-assessment or a graded quiz, if we want a time limit, when we'd like to make it available, and when we'd like to make it due. You can also add in some quiz instructions. I usually recommend adding something to remind the students to save their responses so that their responses will not be deleted. Once you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click Save Changes. You'll notice up here in this green box that it says Quiz Successfully Created, and now when we scroll down, we have the option to create a question. On this next page, we can decide which question type we want, true or false, multiple choice, and so on. We have our question body, any feedback that we might want to use, and down here you'll notice if it is a multiple choice question, we'll need to type in an answer in each of these distractor fields. Now over here, we can select the correct answer, and we can delete any distractors that we left blank. And once we're happy with our question, we can go down here and say Save Changes. Up here again, you'll see Question Successfully Created. Now we're going to go back to Quiz here. You can create more questions here, and once you are all set with your questions, make sure to click the Save Changes button down here. Now before we give our quiz, it's always really important to go over here to the right-hand side and click Preview. This will show us how the students will see this quiz, and a lot of times you'll see mistakes that you may not have seen otherwise. So that looks great. So we can go back to Modify Quiz. If we needed to make any changes, we could do so here. If not, simply click Save Changes, and your quiz is ready to go. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Sarah or Jennifer or come up and visit us on the 15th floor.